surrender what I felt a rush like a rolling ball of thunder, spinning my head around and taking my body
Welcome back to my channel. I just finished cooking dinner. We had to wait to put our son to sleep in order for us to make this dinner. It actually took a lot longer than I expected for it to take. Anyways, sorry for the bad lighting. I know it's not the greatest. During the day it looked a lot better. So I made two different pizzas. I made a kind of like a deep dish pizza that has salami, jalapenos, cheese, onions in it. So I don't know if you can see that. I gave my honey a slice already. And then I made a pesto, chicken pesto. It's kind of difficult because my camera is so far I can't even touch it. I can't even maneuver it if I need to, so I apologize if it seems far. I'm drinking water and some apple cider vinegar and frozen strawberries. I like to drink apple cider vinegar before I go to bed. They say it helps with your blood sugar. I'm not sure if it's been proven, but because in my previous video I went over how I can't eat that many carbs and have to watch what I eat. I made myself a plate of broccoli and chicken. Wow, you can't even see it. Broccoli, chicken, and then I have some pickles and mustard because I'm craving mustard all the time. It's really weird. I like vinegar. I like sour foods, especially now that I'm pregnant. How's the pizza, baby?
It's really good.
My honey's right here eating. He doesn't want to be on camera just yet. So I will try some of the food that I made. I'll have a little piece of each. So let me get started. Would you be able to move the camera a little closer, please? I feel like it's so far away more. I already showed the food, so here we go. Maybe that'll be a little bit better. Hello! I feel like it's so far. Anyway, so I didn't put anything on my broccoli. I'm eating it really plain. You want to add salt. And that pickles and mustard, they have a lot of salt on them. I love mustard. How is it?
Pretty good.
Yeah? We're on a pizza making kick because we haven't been on our grocery haul to Costco or anywhere. So I'm really just making what I have. I have a lot of flour. I'm like, I have flour and I have mozzarella. We'll just make pizza. I feel horrible because he has to wake up early tomorrow. And we're eating and it's after 10. Really late. Since I'm eating this late, I'm gonna have to do 30 minutes of like walking up and down my stairs and some leg exercise or floor exercises before I go to bed.
It was worth the wait though.
That's good. I don't know. I just love the vinegar. They say if you're gonna eat a meal with a lot of carbs, if you drink apple cider vinegar, it will actually act kind of like metformin or other diabetic drugs as to cut your sugar so it doesn't affect your body as much. It doesn't raise your blood sugar as much. I don't know if it's true. I just try not to eat a lot of sugar, period. So, my hair looks like a disaster. I brushed it out. My hair is usually really curly. I didn't wash it today. It's my day off. I don't like to wash it every day because it gets dry. But I brushed it out when I conditioned it. But now it's frizzy. Not that cute. I like broccoli. I'm hoping it doesn't make me gassy tonight.
I know.
Which pizza did you like more?
I think the first one, the salami and jalapeno one. The pesto one was good, but it's just a totally different flavor. But it is really good though. It's
Don't tell me you're full.
it's more of a thin crust, whereas the pesto, the salami jalapeno is more like a thicker.
Are you full?
I'll take another slice of that one.
Well, can you eat, like, can I cut half of this for me?
Yeah.
Thank you, my love. Maybe I should have got the bigger knife. I think I should have got the bigger knife. Here you go. So he likes this one more. I try to do a cute little crust. Here's your knife. So we'll try this. That's really good. That's really good. What did I do? I used marinara sauce. I didn't have pizza sauce. I just used a marinara sauce, but it came out pretty good.
There's a lot of salami in it. There's like every bite, there's a lot of salami.
Really good. And it's just different than my vegan breakfast. I'm gonna use the salami. I was afraid it was gonna go bad, so I just put it on there. I wish I had more veggies to put on there. Big bite. I'm gonna take this for lunch tomorrow, baby.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna try a piece of pesto. Let's see. don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. Mmm. This is good, but I used, as you saw in the cooking portion, I used our pre-made basil, which tastes pre-made. Like, it doesn't have that freshness of, I think, fresh basil or fresh pesto sauce. Because I would have totally added a lot more garlic to this pesto. I just didn't have time to make fresh pesto or the ingredients. I think if the pesto was better, it would be better. So. And baby's cooking so much right now.
Yeah, the pesto was good, but it didn't have that pesto zing.
Yeah. I don't like that pesto. Kind of didn't ruin it completely, but could have been a lot better. You want more, baby?
No, I'm full.
You want to eat the rest of that one? I'm getting full too. At least it's Friday tomorrow.
It sure is.
Friday for him, Sunday for me. Weekends go by too quickly. I try to fill out with my veggies first. And I probably can't even eat all this chicken. I still have a handful of chicken left. I don't think I'm gonna eat it. I already feel kind of full. I don't even... What did I eat today after the video? I ate... I was low carb fudgesicle.
Didn't you go to Wendy's?
I went to Wendy's. I ate a lettuce wrapped burger. The other day we were starving. We hadn't eaten. And we had to go to a dinner for my dad's retirement, and we had to stop at one of the stores to get stuff, and there was a Wendy's, so we're like, oh, we need to eat something. We had these two hamburgers, and they were really good. I, took a few bites of each. So I can't have much bread or anything. Anyway, today I went back to get, because I was really hungry, and we were out, and I remembered that hamburger, but I asked for them to lettuce wrap it. It was not good. It wasn't good. Maybe one day, I don't really like to eat too much meat and hamburger, especially beef, because I just don't like it that much. But I was thinking, after I had such a bad experience getting it lettuce wrapped, because I've had McDonald's lettuce wrap burgers and In-N-Out, and both of those are delicious. So I was like, well, maybe one day I'll do like a video of me getting different lettuce wrap burgers to be carb conscious from multiple fast food restaurants, and we could do a review of which one's the best. So we could do that. I just feel my baby's kicking so much right now. My
I'm so
partner's
tired.
leaving me.
I'm right here. I'm just tired.
He needs to get up early. This one was really good. This was the bomb. I'm getting better at the crust.
You are. It's only your second time, but yeah.
Well, it's not my second time. I made this crust many, many times before.
Oh.
But I haven't made it for a long time. And it's so easy to make your pizza crust. The key is perfecting it though. My favorite crust ever is probably from Vincenzo's Pizza. I don't know if you're not from where I'm from, if you've heard of it. But it's bomb. The crust is so good. I'm so upset with the pesto. It doesn't taste. It tastes so like it's been in a can forever. Not so good. It ruined my pizza experience. You know how dumb me if I put mustard on it? Who puts mustard on pizza? Maybe it's a mistake. It masks the pesto. I do not like that pesto. It really ruined the pizza for me because that was a good dough, like thin crust, as you can see here. It's really crispy. The chicken was juicy. Cheese was good, but it really ruined it for me. Disappointing. Anyways, you guys, I'm really tired. I've been up since 6 this morning. I'm exhausted. This preparing the food and making it, and it's a lot harder than people think. I don't think you realize. It's pretty hard. But it's actually really fun. I enjoy it. Enjoy it so far. Now it's going to take hours for me to upload this video. We'll first have to edit it. We're going to try to, this time, my first video, I tried to get one of those free editors on the phone, and it was just horrible. It didn't match up my mouth with the sound, and so I ended up taking that video off, and it didn't join the videos together like I thought it was going to, and maybe I just didn't know how to use it properly, but it wasn't very good, so I just ended up uploading my videos. So there were parts in it I wish I could have edited out, but it is what it is. It's my first video. I just wanted to get it out there. This video I'm gonna put on my honey's computer, and we're gonna edit it. Probably not tonight. It's late. I'm tired. I want to go to bed. But tomorrow, that's what I'm gonna work on, trying to edit it. And if I can, I'll definitely try to upload this video tomorrow night or tomorrow. But I'm actually filming this on the same day I did my first video. Anyways, guys, my show's called Dining with Di. I think that's a good show, but obviously as we get more acquainted and I get more comfortable and, we can know a little more about each other, then I can think of some of those really cool little names and catchphrases to go with my mukbang or mukbang or mukbang. I thought it was mukbang, and then I was watching a mukbang, and they said they researched it, and it's called Mukbang. I don't know, but you know. Anyways, guys, have a wonderful evening. Be blessed. Be stress-free. Be anxiety-free. And I will see you later. Good night.